But in conclusion, Mr. Hafiz said there was a fish, or whether a fish or a meat, which he mentioned, that spoke to Moses when Moses was about to consume it.
Yansa, medin kan adawase. Se wama ya kunya kesia etisei na yaba usho yiso. Sana na ubisano ampa emre bebleni yen kremofa yo omayimu yadi yaw. Yadi yaw in a sense ohwe Ghana hayetia Muslims, Christians, omo ya bososonfo nyinara yati asumdwemu oko community sa obewon se Muslims, Christofo ene omo munya Christofo nyinara ye bibia bom ye ko school ye bibia bom. But then Yawahana Avram be Moshe start here say or cassette religion. Yan statue was street. Ebla Abraham cool common sense no. Ena onya the media space. It will not ha, not or fire, not ha, not or fire. There are a lot of things Abraham be Moshe akafa Quran ho. Ya reply all the questions. But then baby you share your reply, you know. Enko baby. Okay. There are a lot of things Abraham be Moshe akafa Quran ho. Ya reply all the questions. But then baby you share your reply, you know. Enko baby. Okay. Ya reply all the questions. But then baby you share your reply, you know. Enko baby. Okay. Eti na yedi ya wo say ade nti na wo man platform because sometimes it tuma abosonsunfo nyina ba ha. CSF for ba Christopher ba. Why not Muslims? Eti na yadi na yedi ya. Because somebody like Abraham, he is not qualified to talk about the Quran. Hey. We know our book. Yasua book ni enim de wo book num. We know our book. Yasua book ni enim de wo book num. Debi amekasa Abraham is not even qualified to be a teacher.
Inti way first time Hafiz Buhari nkwa eba nyansa platform no so no. The purpose a wode ba honom no nyina ne se ben muhye twantro efa Quran ho. Ben muhye aka nsem bebre efa Quran ho a enye no kore na ono Hafiz Buhari no ono omasua omo book no omasua book no onim de wo book ni mo no okay. Na ben muhye sa media space na wanya na ode kekasa nsem we say no. Ono Hafiz Buhari wa responded to ensem na ben muhye aka ni nyina. Je say platform na or responded to ben or responded ben muhye wo so no enkwa kire. Enti Hafiz Buhari per opportunity no ono so per the same media space na dia ma ben muhye no said ye be ya obe expose ben muhye e wo ensem na wa kan fa Quran ho no. Se wo hu. Enti the main target no and the main purpose now Hafiz Buhari di ba ha say no say obe expose ben muhye e wo ensem a wa kan fa Quran ho. Ye man 2 days na ye man Hafiz Buhari oni ben muhye hia wa wo hwe me we say obetimi aka kire me one particular another specific verse Hafiz Buhari etimi ma amansan ehunu say ben muhye twantro just one verse Hafiz Buhari etimi ma obi ehunu say asema ben muhye kan fa verse we hono ben muhye totally out of context bibi say biye honom enti we na ye prove no ne say Hafiz Buhari agenda na wode ba platform we so krampo no wo lose agenda no because ben muhye ntwantro bia fa Quran ho ben muhye ntwantro fa Quran ho no enti ono na agenda na wode ba ya no o share ben muhye first day no wabo shake wo mantimi attack agenda no afidi obepe ben muhye the benefit as CSF ayama Ghana so what you say na afidi defend no entro na wo ka se ben muhye atwa fa Quran ho no wabo ato akone se me ka kire mo se omo endada the benefit no ye be beba so later me can the benefit ben muhye kan no program no no but omo person on betie enti na agenda no wabo ato akone okay ben muhye mpo na se ka kire wo se o ka kire ni se o se de bia me twa ntro fa Quran ho sana wo ka kire me enti yemfa second day no ye share first day na mo se show the benefit no mo claim mo se ma wini ade we ye wie dia se ka obi wini match na enko per the next match say what I say enko per the next match abo on some the same match ni bi mo claim mo se ma wini match no ben mo she se yenko the next topic na nka educate me e wo de be ya ensem na me kan ho na wo se me ye wrong no Hafiz Buhari there be yen stay o be the same place na Muda munti Hafiz Buhari we beto asisi. Munti Hafiz Buhari ka.
But you say oh issues for and some of kind of one. A perception and the shall free ho. You spend 10 minutes on some of the issues. No, so understand your coach, no topic, no so.
Topic when I can say it was.
Yantua we are
because
and some people but Yantua no
topic anka o my koso a ebeboa me ne ye de bia me ba me kire contradictions mistakes in the Quran o se me nya qualified teacher ti me san ka o kira me memfa sa ni ma ne mbra no nkire me mu no teach me e bia na me tu futu egu nkrofo ani e na beboa but common sense on ko gidi se nkremo ne kura nya common sense apart from the Quran and a Quran verse where just say we nipa so use ma wadwe nya adwuma nti common sense
is there a good year between nanka with my point we go kind no I was yearning to understand it more but then time was not permitting that is this something a bit my discussion
Jane do the binu by nti we how
the problem is and that topic no pa treaty you know you do baby oh
Matthias
well because number one and some Abraham can
na me person you what to do tonight here some of the issues yeah responding to
we na discuss it
okay
time
is good yeah discuss it
Some nyina mote omo say after the program no my den no my pe topic on ben the next day Hafiz Buhari purpose over the bar ho no me bo video ni kire mo the first day na oba ho no was ben mu she e twam trofa Quran ho enti ono pese oba no ba expose ben mu she because we didn't can power respond to ben mu she nsem na okafa Quran ho ni nyina ye ntro no wa respond but platform now she no ba bia wo she no enko ba bia say Hafiz Buhari anya opportunity no wenya sa media space na ono eye omo ye jealous of no about ben mu she no wenya the same platform Omrame expose ema mansan enhunu se de be mo she kafa Quran ne ho no ntro no first day no Hafiz Buhari antwusu sa topic no wantimi expose be mo she say asem we a wa kafa Quran ho no ntro second day no be mo she no mom onu mom ena wo kire Hafiz Buhari say ensem na me kana mo say ntro no Mayenyusu second day no never expose me asem bia makabia verse bia me makotu bia na ye ntro no se de be ya amansan benyo ebeti wo ho ase se na metwa ntro anase na me ka no kre be mu she ni mom no wo say throw say this topic ade so anka ye Hafiz Buhari ni main topic a wo de ba platform no so no eye be mu she ni mom e na wo say ma Hafiz Buhari sa option say ye nkasa mfa we ho me ka kire wo say Muslims nyina klemu say Yabo be mu she sa no mo klemu Hafiz Buhari kan sisi akrampo say ye topic when ye nwie enso mo so ma wi ni a adentina wo move nko on to your main purpose now with the bar platform we say so no say oba be expose be mu she edie be mponti na wo say be mu she na sa suggest sa topic we say and then wasn't coming first because who Hafiz Buhari no Quran ye authority and I would defend it but o man yes sir after the program on no can say we responding to all the and some bemusha can for Quran be our responding no after the program no bemusha and have a conversation okay momented or kind all of a sudden then they on ye prepared or no free of free baby I would say abba radio station one no or say on ye prepared for that topic. Can you imagine Mamun TV
Facebook aye wo a ye kasa no yen ye prove say Nyankopon ma ye adwene na Nyankopon de ma ye no ye de check Quran na emfa nti Quran embo nipa Hafiz frame enye Hafiz e no fra wo no nya chance wo show no so Hafiz frame say ada na me nko na ye ma me audience nti ono nso ohia audience ni bi nti me ma ne chance eya asem no kure bi ko nipa ba akofo kasa na akwai so no nkwa na ekasa ena me ne wo kasa se nyansa me nua nkremofo ne se on peso mo so ba show ne so nkremofo wo platform mu di matem obi amfre me sa afran bra na be yi wa no ba minim se me wo proof nti me de Hafiz aba show ne so eda na Hafiz e ba no me bisa Hafiz o pese me ba show ne so ana pese wo nko a wo ba Hafiz wo enda de ma me nko a me nko Hafiz bet na ho no o se ne ho kura popo se mi ni ho obeka se de mi dwane mankasa de ye kan nya ne se Quran enfri Nyankopon ana Hafiz se me ma bon me nim Quran mu And Hafiz the topic yabase. Yenye the benefit of common sense and Islam. Ya ye. And I say watchna. Je problem a ye wo Quran ho. Mistakes a me wo Quran mo no. Hafiz say ma bon. Enti watchna. Yen treaty whether the Quran is divine and I say from so ni ho. Me na make asa first. Deda me ye wo social media nyina no. Me di me problem nyina betu dwa na Hafiz our yes scholar on kire me mu a. Hafiz there be company.
Wait.
Yeah?
What I say?
Meet you, Casa.
Nyansa, the tennis level. What's the idea? And Abraham Bush show no so. Or Bommy videos, you know, I didn't say anything. And yes, I mean, Miss Russe, may defend the Quran. But we have to be fair to what we are doing. Before I with my people, I said by this time I tell you, I was 6:43 and you're not 11 o'clock, you're part of the program. I say, yeah, you have to place in there because topic is too serious. Abraham, you on the topic.
Hafiz many Hafiz Bachao. We are so young, Bachao. Hafiz Bachao, they Bachao, and then on the show, ye can say ye ria, and ye bet this may Hafiz, men person, what then trouble to so. Make can say ye real program now. No, ya discuss a topic, ye can yanka. Ain't 2 days na ye no 2 days na ye debate no opese won ko awo topic na ye discuss oh minua me bisau Hafiz that moment na what the topic but you have to listen to what ain't by this time na me dey topic ba no too early one too late Inti untumi prepare embe face me ba Hafiz enumre way up to watch na 11 o'clock no untumi prepare na umbe disprove me that is the water how I think no so we need to prepare fully water who be bia wo nkai me fit talk the market na that is me look at the hotel me to hotel to see ya me look at it and the area asna to me here so na be make na deal justice with that topic no it's a living tewa and see there ye kaya ye decide ye na agree ya no e no na me dey me buy Hafiz me bow yeah agree Hafiz because of say yeah ye we nti ya me agbo ntina who be to topic and never this time it's okay Mati me Hafiz into be so chem say a whole Islamic scholar ye be ye debate prepare on the Quran na ye face watch na no wo se when you ready won prepare Islamic scholar and I said yeah talk about the whole Islamic scholar if you want more professors no the call up lectures prepare and then on a class preparation e dia so wotu a wo ko twa video ye e dia me no e dia wo fast the way I go ya e dia wo ko for ye di ba uni mimi create kita mana uni mi preparation na how am the preparation and sit down the answer that actually wa me so you have to agree on the topic and that is the agreement you accept say na yaba ka senta uni say what the Quran then never ba I was so my man for ya o my nature say ye way and that I get say ye way no we have to pay me I don't have to know which one you coming to dispute your crime Hafiz yeah what show e wo na the topic no kura no so be ka ya o ka say ye be ye e wo video make me twa e de ase e da na ko no o say ye be ye Quran and common sense one can say the benefit o say Quran and common sense sa na wo kan and na me say ye treat with topic ne enne plenty watch na dede ayeye a wo say ye tu mfuturo de egu nipa ni no dede no me the Quran verses na ba na bon ama bon ne arabo amenti no watch them na we expose me na wo bi ehu a wo say wo nya ready a ready mate ochna ye be ye Quran and common sense benefit and one ye be ye why excellent magiatum okay yo you na make yo nyansa ochna yo mate okay yo
Etiefo Semuti Hafiz Buhari say onye prepared, onye ready. This guy we say na kind beginning no first day now ba hono me say wa responding to ensem na ba mushe akani nyina no. Senka me ne no a say yampa se ba mushe twantro na okay. Enka me basa radio station we says maybe just this big platform no and at least no me prepare one of the mistakes na be mushe aye no asem na waka na ye kontompo no a obi antimi nkase de wo afisi kan ye ntro na de be mushe mum kan mum na ye ntro no enka me prepare e wo se be man say hunu say ampa be mushe nim hwe from the Quran And so some nyina mo hunu e ye ban mu hye ni mom e na all part che wo kran posa aka ho say Afis Buhari yen fasa issue na ya mo kan se ma bon minim hwe no na educate me. Hafiz Buhari say onye prepared. But Obetna at radio station on the beginning, the first video, or say, we're responding to Nina. Now, Opesa media space, no what can entrona be mushe chafa koran, or be exposed be mushe. After the onye prepared. Someone who be, Mr. Munye sincere to himself. These guys will say, no, a command or mudi actually. After the hear no, a benefit of CSF, be mushe can't will say, ya wa gene. See, I would tell one of your watching and then I'll bet me that check is will be travel trona so being travel trona. Would you the person can bear mushe buy, bear mushe buy or no country will say, or your prophet? Won't you mean question because of what we are prophet? We are follower of Muhammad. Won't you mean question Muhammad? Won't you mean doubt to Muhammad? And to bear mushe buy also cast or your prophet. Now to see or no your prophet, Nyan Kopona or they ban say, Jinidi, so Jinidia, Obama, and man, or Mono Foyak, see. Say na oba kanchire be mushe 2021 mu ne wo we say no say na nka wo be kanchire be mushe wo be kanchire say yampa ne nyankopon na wo de bre wo no o nyankopon papa ana say wo be kanchire say be mushe fa ne nsem hunu ne firi wani so nko say be mushe did the same message bre wo say gine nyankopon ne di na say wo gine di a obema wo ema omonofo aya akese as a reward wo be ka say be mushe on fa na dwaman nsem firi wani so ye de wakono de dada. And no, the Koran they promise you, and they watch the internet by Musha say, what's you so general because any one of your Baba 2 near my way. They was here who nipa chrono and take a nipa chrono in the subai near anyhow will behave, near Timidia analyzing who and the brain ramet say nipa we say no. Now, Brabon me bobi be yana. Common sense benefits no. So, Oka say, when you saw Obeji BBAD and a quay Christoni. Na men question Christianity na Christoni koye bosomsom ni men question na fa ye bosomsom ni we ni ekasa no osum bie no na unya no kure bi mfiri mu no osum bie no na unya no kure bi mfiri mu it doesn't make it say a true entirely and say ubenya nsem bie free Koran ni mu na eye good na me say to me so yusu because me CSF ni me accept no kure no ba bi be free beba no eni kwan say me di nkan gidi say free Yakobon ho no mansa eye clean di hu ni dare. Eya, ujesiana, the balanced diet. Eya, suade, and yema we say no, and you want to Yakopo be catching me, meaning says me follow Sadi way a bebwani. So what Yasiana? And to common say, Bemushe Maotia say, you saw a journal near the detective. You will be that dow, and it will be kind of cratchero. So won't to mean forward journal and analyze it and criticize it and think care, ube think care mount. Benefit of common sense no be mushe ma hunu wade we say mu what you say enti we e clear a short video am pese mu nyina mu hunu bi the purpose na Hafiz Buhari de ba honom no when timi amaye one single verse be mushe quote ye na obetimi aka kire ye say e totally wrong be mushe misquote ade we say be mushe dada amanfo woni bibi sa bia ni honom be mushe si Koran no se ubetimi abo yere Hafiz Buhari se ane ubetimi abo yere but ye will rules abebo yere je se be mushe ntwa antro no se what you say ye will rules nti waje atum be mushe kane no kore but say ni say na betimi abo yere na rules na betimi dia book no na we hefa ebi ni honum sa what you say be mushe kan e kira Hafiz Buhari say Muhammad e madodo say na Allah a promise Muhammad that big one promise e madodo say na ye dia ma Muhammad specifically for only Muhammad. We efa min kwaje ho ben e ma Muhammad betimi afa wo mo no efa Yakobon som ho sen we bi na ye ka kire wo no ye study nipa na wontimi question no time obi betra Muhammad fie na onsore nkofia na Allah send the verse aba ka kire nipa kon say udidi wi asore ko fie we be mu she we ne ye kasafa ho no we so betimi the same thing be mu she betimi the same thing so we prophet wontimi question no Yakobon na se won kasa asem wan kire wo oba bia organ na bia na opese wode ne homa be mu she no obetimi ne homa be mu she Yakobon na ka oba na wade ye study sana Koran na ka oba bia opese wode ne homa Muhammad no obetimi ne homa Muhammad so what say be mu she ko two verse we say Hafiz Buhari antimi anyene answer question no we bi ne ka no ye di common sense no and e betimi analyze e betimi agege niam a ya fa niam a me hunu se niam bi wonom na ni kwa se wode wani hunu betimi agege di but e bi wonom de ye clear no e betimi a question ade we say enti Hafiz Buhari Well, lose u focus now with the back on well lose ni because actually argument na ya wo de say we beka say ma reading kwa ni hiaw but Quran verses na wo de ba honom no say de be yanka mansan nyina be hunu say be mo say twantro no wantimi improve yen we ye clear no okay Hafiz ya say at long last no we say bring more materials what bring more and some information the meat now or what bring niema what bring niema you betim dey expose more ya say we a short and long video at the same time but me person nyina mo hunu de na ekoso honom okay for the past days no okay Hafiz Buhari ya say be mo she ya say mo mienu nyina no mama ye hunu niema but to be honest, Hafiz Buhari we're losing the focus. And one okay, CSF, okay, you so general, you're Muslim, you're Christian, you're atheist, but still no, we hear common sense. Send a bear mushek, the way you be aware and you so common sense now. We be use one mouth, we bounce back or you will be slave. Chateau is okay, in fact, see what I say now. But there will be a